So I've got my portable blender here. Now it does come with a charging cord. You are going to charge it right here on the bottom with this Type-C port. Also the top, real easy to open. We're just going to push that open and there you go. It also comes with a little carrying strap. Right here we've just got two buttons, real simple to operate. This button here is multifunction. When you press it once, it's going to let you know the battery level and it also starts. This has three different levels, P1, 2, and 3. And the difference is the amount of time that actually runs. So we've got 45 seconds, P2, 55, and P3, 65 seconds. So the top comes off real easily to go ahead and wash that off. Now this does have a safety function. This will not turn on unless the top is on because it does have a little button right here. And then of course we've got all these steel blades right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some protein powder in here and some ice and water and just show you what it looks like. So I've got some water and blueberries in here, some protein powder. Now what I'm gonna do is just add some liquid. Once you have everything in here, just turn it on. I want it on P1 and press start. You can move it around. You can see it doesn't leak at all. And then when it's done, it'll get 0 and turn off. Now that it's done, it all mixed up really well. Of course, the more protein powder you put in here or any ingredients, actually, it's going to make it nice and thick. Just remember this part, this top part here, you can go ahead and wash that in a dishwasher. Of course, the bottom, we do not. We just rinse that off. But I love this. It's super portable. I can just take this anywhere, and I'm ready to go. Hope you found this helpful.